am a graduate, but I won't say I've not heard about computer or I don't know anything that has to do with computer. But at the point, when I started applying for jobs, the jobs I was getting was, a computer-related jobs, which I am not too capable, even though I'm familiar with phone and technology. But when I heard about this SkillUpImo, I enrolled into the exercise, and lo and behold, I can do most of Excel. The skill is wow.
So on a scale of 1 to 100, how confident do you feel now?
85.
Wow.
85.
Wow. SkillUpImo, technology, opportunity, people!
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests today, it is that time to welcome that man instrumental in driving the digital agenda of His Excellency, distinguished Senator Hope Uzodinma, the Honourable Commissioner, Dr. Chimezie Amadi. A round of applause. Can we welcome him with the SkillUpImo greeting?
SkillUpImo! 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 Your Excellency, the Digital Governor of Nigeria, distinguished Senator Hope Uzodinma, CON, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Imo State, Lady Chimezie Amadi, PhD, distinguished senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and other members of the National Assembly here present, both serving and non-serving. The national chairman of our great party, Professor Netawa Yewalda, alongside members of the National Working Committee in his entourage. Honorable Minister for Education, Dr. Maruf Tunji Alausa, ably represented by Dr. Mrs. Olodo. Honorable Ministers of State for Industry, Senator John Owan Eno. Your Excellency, the former Governor of Imo State, Chief Ikedio Hakim. Your Excellency, the former Deputy Governor of Imo State, Sir Jude Abaso, Special Advisors to the President on Media and Communication, Honorable Sunday Dare, the Southeast Coordinator of UNDP, Mrs. Chiwetalo Okosi, Imo State Head of Service, Mrs. Chikode Emenalo, and all the other members of the Executive Council of, Expanded Executive Council of Imo State. Your Excellency, it gives me immense joy and gratitude to welcome you all to this landmark occasion, the graduation ceremony of SkillUpImo Cohort 3, a celebration of hope, hard work, and the digital transformation of a new Imo State. Your Excellency, when you launched the Imo Digital Economy Agenda idea 2022 to 2026, which bettered the SkillUpImo program as one of its key strategic initiatives, many describe that as a visionary move. Today, it is evident that what we are witnessing is far more than just training program. It is a true demonstration of leadership with foresight. You said it then that Imo's greatest resource is her people, and that if we equip our young minds with the right skills, the future will take care of itself. Today, Your Excellency, those words of yours has become reality. With your unwavering support, the SkillUpImo project has transformed from an ambitious vision into a national model for youth empowerment. With this cohort 3, 10,000 more Imo youths are graduating, bringing total to an astonishing 50,000 trained digital citizens, young people empowered. Young people empowered with global relevant skills and opportunities. That is not a statistics. Your Excellency, this is 50,000 transformed destinies in Imo State. Many of these graduates started their journey with little more than curiosity and courage. Today, they live as trained coders, data analysts, graphic designers, digital entrepreneurs, innovators, ready to compete and collaborate in the global digital marketplace. Some are already freelancing online. Others are building startups right here in Owerri, Imo State. And if anyone still wonders what impact truly looks like, I invite you to take a moment and go through your brochure, pages 15 and 16. You will see amazing testimonials from graduating trainees, all of whom are seated in this hall today. Stories of young men and women who moved from joblessness to creativity, from struggle to stability, from waiting for opportunity to creating it. You will meet people like Vina, who turned her graphic design skills into a thriving beauty. Andy, a nurse who now builds digital tools, and Jonathan, who left uncertainty behind to build a career in phone repair and ICT. These are not abstract numbers. These are living proofs that the SkillUpImo dream works and that the digital economy is already transforming lives across our communities. And that, Your Excellency, is the new face of Imo, a state where talent meets technology and governance meets opportunity. Our progress, being powered by strategic partners, some of whom are seated here like the US MAC, all the way from Silicon Valley, California, the Microsoft and Cisco. Your Excellency, this is what the shared prosperity agenda truly means. A government that empowers, not just employs, that creates opportunity, not excuses. To our graduates, you are the pride of Imo. Carry this training as both a skill and a responsibility. The state has invested in you. Now the world is waiting for your innovation. Use your knowledge to create jobs, uplift communities, and make Imo proud wherever you go. To the parents and guardians here today, thank you for believing in this vision. To our parents, your trust strengthens our resolve. And to our youth, your success fuels our commitment to even do more. Finally, Your Excellency, may I sincerely appreciate the dedication of the staff of the Ministry of Digital Economy and e-government, as well as the exceptional coordinators and facilitators who have shared in our vision of building a resilient and thriving digital economy in Imo State. One where technology serves as a true engine of prosperity and opportunity for all. Congratulations, Cohort 3. And I will leave with these words to you. May your light shines far beyond these walls. And may the world come to know that Imo State is home to true digital change makers. Thank you and God bless you all.